What's going on? It's Dwight. We about to do some ribs here, and so I'll show you how I do this. First, you season them real good, and you wait until they get that sweat texture on it, and then after that, you get your grill. Today we're cooking between 250 degrees and 275 degrees, as you see on one of the smokers that I built. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and add the ribs into the smoker because it's at temp now, so we can go ahead and start this. So here we go. We're about to add these ribs to this smoker. It's kind of hard to hold this camera and do this at the same time, so what I'm gonna do is actually take this off. So we're gonna pause for a second and you'll see a quick jump cut, and we'll go ahead now. There you go. I've centered them on the rack and I tighten the ribs to where when you want to cut them later, you get an even cut. And then we sit them here, and for an hour they're gonna smoke. Now I'm using a method called the 3-2-1. 3 hours with the fire hitting it, 2 hours wrapped, and then 1 more hour with the fire hitting it. So this is a 6-hour process. Through the first 3 hours we're gonna spray. Every hour we're gonna spritz the ribs, and then after that we'll go to the wrap phase. So I'll see you on the first spritz and you'll see what they look. Okay, we're at the first hour, and as you see I got some Bragg apple cider vinaigrette. It's kind of what I use to spritz the ribs with. And so we're gonna walk out here and we're gonna go ahead and do our first spritz, and you can see what the ribs look like at this point. It's a beautiful day here in Chicago. It's not too cold. And as I get over here, I see we didn't drop down to 225. And I'm opening. And so right there's the ribs right there. So we go ahead, and what we spritz them for is to keep them juicy, because you want your ribs nice and juicy. And so you see it's starting to develop some pullback. And wait till you see the end results. These ribs are going to be absolutely spectacular. So there we go. That's our first spritz. I'm going to go ahead and shake this a little bit. What I'm doing is getting the oxygen through the coals and everything, just to maintain temperature, to bring it back up to the 250 range. And so we'll see you again in another hour. Okay people, hour 2 is among us, and we're sitting there at a good 249, 250. It's time for the next spritz, and there you go. That's what we're looking like right now as far as the ribs go. And man, I wish I had smell-o-vision for you, because it smells absolutely wonderful. Now this is the last hour for the first 3-hour cook. When I come back, we're going to go into the wrap phase. So we're going to go ahead and let these ribs do what they do. Got nice color. Everything's coming along fine. I can't wait to get these tasty ribs done for you. So there we go. We done put our lid back on, and we're just going to let this go ahead and do what it do. And we're back. We are halfway through the cook, and now is one of my favorite times to where we pull these beautiful ribs off and wrap them up. So I'm going to pull this off, and I'm going to take it in, and then we're going to wrap it, and then we'll take it to the next step. I'll show you what I do for the wrapping phase. See you soon. Right here, now we're back here. We're about to go ahead and wrap these ribs. So as you see, I take some aluminum foil and I center the ribs on the aluminum foil, and then I kind of fold the bottom up to where it forms a cup, and that's where we would put our fluids, which is our applesauce. So we would put that in there like that, and then we would take some brown sugar and bring them across the ribs like so. After you do the brown sugar, you will take some honey and just drizzle it nice and well across the ribs. Kind of give you that sweet, savory flavor that you're looking for. And of course, you can use the seasoning that you choose, but I choose to use Sergeant Smooth seasoning. Really good on ribs. You can inbox me and I can set you up with some of this Sergeant Smooth if that's what you want. And then last but not least, pads of butter across the ribs, and it's just going to give you like a nice tasty treat. After which, we'll go ahead and wrap these ribs and put them back on the grill. I'll see you soon. Okay, we are back, and now it's time for the unwrapping of the ribs. And so, as you see, wrapped in aluminum foil, and we're gonna go ahead and unwrap these things. I've been cooking other things as well, but there you go. That's what they look like. And now, with the unwrapping phase, we're gonna take them off and let them cook so they can tighten up. Like they're very tender. You can see that. You can look at this bone right here. And if I pick them up, they tend to want to fall apart. So that's what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the next phase.